traveled for treatment. Baba called me to go and see him at Serena. When I went, I found Osotsi with Baba. They were talking with Baba, and there were also other leaders. Then we sat and we were talking. Baba told me one thing. Baba said, Babu, I want us to work together in ODM. We are one family. There's nothing that has been lost. Let us all be united. Baba was a unifying figure. If you went to Baba with any problem, Baba didn't know how to say no. Baba would just tell you, yes, I will solve it. That was a father. I remember when we were with Mheshimiwa Junet. We were in Elgeyo Marakwet at Tolgo's house. Then we were supposed to go and bury Mzee Kibor. Then Junet told Baba, we've gotten intelligence that we cannot go to Mzee Kibor's place. Baba, let us not go. Baba told Junet, let us wait a little. After the burial, we go and condole with the family. Junet continued and told Baba, we can't go. First of all, when we passed by Iten, I don't know Iten at Elgeyo Marakwet, we were stoned there. Then, when Baba insisted, we decided to go. Ogeta, Junet, myself, and Baba. When we went to Mzee Kibor's place, we parked like around 500 meters from the homestead. Getting in, we found the leaders who were there. The then area member of parliament, the governor, and other leaders. We condoled with the family. Then one by one, we saw these leaders getting out and making phone calls. Then Junet told me, Babu, there's something happening here. Can you find out? I told Junet, I don't know anybody here, but let me see. One after the other. After 5 minutes, Junet told Baba, we have to leave this place. We left, we got into one car, we all sat at the back. The distance between the gate of Mzee Kibor and the chopper, all our heads were down on the floor of the car. We were being killed, but Baba continued saying, drive and we go. Just continued encouraging the driver. Getting into the chopper, things happened the way things happened. So I know Baba is a very brave person. I know Baba is a unifying figure. My humble prayer is that Baba was a ladder for all of us. We used Baba to cross the turbulent waters, to cross over the crocodiles and the sharks. Baba was a ladder to us. We used him to climb to the higher levels. It is my deep prayer that we give Baba the befitting respect. I want to disassociate myself because there's something that happened at Mama Ida yesterday. I came there, I found honorable members who were here, and first of all I was calling Millie to know where people are meeting. Then I was informed by Nikal that the meeting was at Karen when I called him. When I went there, I found even the president, I found everybody there. Then I left that place after the president had left and other leaders. Then people started chanting my name. Honestly, before man and God, I can be the last person to destroy Baba's legacy. I can't do it. A lot was said, a lot is being said, but between me and God, I know the love and the place that I have for Baba. Baba used to call me as almost the last resort. 4 a.m. Babu, what do? We've reached the rock bottom during elections. Honestly speaking, we leave it to God. I urge all our leaders, let us stay united in ODM. This party is a big party. Let us stay united. That's all I can say.
Thank you, Babu. I think I want to close the tributes there because of